Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this Motorola Edge 2021. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Don't adjust your screen. I decided to pick up the Motorola Edge 2021. I had the 2020, and so I decided to pick up the 2021. Motorola dropped this a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago. Never really made a big deal about it. I didn't see it, and I was just looking on their website the other day and decided to pick it up. When I picked it up, it was $499. Right now, it's not on sale anymore. It's $699. So we're gonna see if it's worth the $699. I know sometimes they put it back on sale, they take it off, but right now you can get it from Amazon for $699. I enjoyed the Motorola Edge 2020, so we will see what this one can actually do. It is 5G ready, so you can actually get 5G speeds on here. It works on Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, so that's a great thing too. So it's unlocked. We'll go over the specs. We do a quick unboxing, see what you get in the box, and I might just start it up just to show y'all what's the phone about, but let's get into it. Nice little presentation from Motorola Edge. Look at that. Little branding there. Little branding there too. Oh yeah, and I didn't get rid of my fold, by the way. Oh, nice color. You get some books in here. Put that on the side. Look at that. The Type-C to Type-C cable. And then you have a 30-watt charging brick. Yes, they actually have the brick in the box. Samsung, Apple, where you're at. So that is what you get in the box. Normal stuff. It comes in one color, which is this blue color here. Ooh, look at that. Whoa, calm down. What y'all think about that color? That's actually so pretty though. It is a side fingerprinted scanner right there. Does it have some juice? Yes, it does. I don't know if we can take the reflection off of that camera, man. Look at that. That is a beautiful phone. But while it's starting up, let's go over the specs really quick. Actually, flip this back over. That is a 6.8-inch 1080p LCD screen. It has a refresh rate of 144 hertz. So I don't know what y'all think about it. It is LCD panel, so I don't know if you're fans of LCD panels. It has 256 gigs of storage with no memory card slot, so 256 is all you get. It does come with 8 gigs of RAM. It has the Snapdragon 778G processor. I never really heard of that one before. It is 5G, has Android 11. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 30-watt charging, so it should charge pretty quick. The battery should last about 2 days. That's what they are telling me. The front is glass, the back is plastic though. It is like IP52 rating, so it has splash resistance. No, you can't really go in the water with the phone. The front camera, you have a 32 megapixel front camera, actually shoots in 4K at 30. So we will definitely test that out. The one thing I'm gonna test it out against, you have to put it against the Pixel 5a to make sure, you're paying $699. You wanna see if this $449 can beat that $699. Also, I'll probably put it against the Fold. The Fold is not going anywhere, y'all. I might even put it against the OnePlus, the Pixel 5. I don't know yet. I will do some camera comparisons and some camera tests. Now that rear camera is, you have a 108 megapixel main shooter. You also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide and macro in one lens, so that is that there. Then the bottom one is a 2 megapixel depth sensor, so hopefully it takes some good portraits too. Let's go over the phone too. There's your power button. You have the volume rockers on that side. Nothing on the top. On this side, you have nothing at the bottom. You have the SIM card slot, Type-C charging, a microphone, and then also a speaker. The speaker is only bottom facing, so it's not dual speakers again. What y'all think about this color though? No headphone jack either. I don't know if y'all seen that. No headphone jack. That's another microphone. So it does not have a headphone jack either. Is that a deal breaker? I'm not sure. We'll definitely test it out. Now let me pause the video. I'm actually pause it, come back, and just show y'all once it start up. Let's check out the storage and everything else and how good the fingerprint scanner is. I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so I'm back. I was able to go ahead and set it up, and look at that phone. Look at that display. It actually looks pretty good. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna come back and do more videos on here. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see. I really enjoy using Motorola phones, especially with the Motorola experience and also Android 11. It's pretty much stock Android, and they just throw their little OS on there. Just the little features they have with Motorola, it makes it really fun. The fingerprint scanner seems like it works really quick too. Let's test that out, or at least when I hit it right. So it's really quick when you put your finger on there right. That's actually pretty quick. Also, the storage on here right now is at, I'm using 9% or 23 gigs with 9% of it, which is not bad. That should leave you enough room to get whatever else you want on this phone. Look at the back. Let's do some comparison really quick. Here's the Google Pixel 5a. You know, definitely taller than that one. Also, let's check out the sides. Look, I do like the back of the Pixel a lot better than this one. Here's the OnePlus 9 Pro. So this is a big phone. Definitely a big phone. Let's check out its little brother or younger brother. That's the G7. So they made a little difference there. Shaky cam. The S21 Ultra. So it's bigger than the S21 Ultra too. Now it does have a little chin at the bottom. Look at that. And bezel at the top too. So here's the fold. I don't know. We definitely will test this phone out. We'll test out the cameras. I might do some gaming on it because I haven't used this Snapdragon before. But y'all let me know what y'all want. I will definitely try to make them. Video comparisons definitely coming up. So if you want to pick up this phone, I will have the links in the description. Like I said, it is $699 right now. It may go on sale, it may not, I can't tell you. But we'll definitely find out if it's worth it or not. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Edge 2021. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at FordsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace, I'm out. Y'all have a great day.